السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. فلوقاتي اليوم سويت فيديو عن الحلقة بالسماعات وما طلع الصوت حق اللعبة لكن طلع صوتي، فشوفوا الحظ كيف. طبعا راح اضطر اوكي شو اسوي؟ لا النوت اوكي يا رب يكون من هنا، يعني ما خربط. يس أنا كنت هنا. يس
Man. Hi there.
Did you kill it?
دقيقة الصوت مرة عالي، دقيقة. اوكي انا رفعت الصوت لأنه صار الصوت عالي. يس اوكي
Yes.
It's okay. I think she was a monster.
I think so too.
باقي الصوت اوكي رخيت الصوت او ما ادري.
Wants to come home now.
I think that might be a little while, you know?
اوكي
Oh,
Look, I don't know what happened, but I'll look after you until then.
what should we do now?
We need to get out of this neighborhood. It's not safe. We're less likely to be seen if we move at night.
راح يكون
My
فيديو
parents might come home.
دقيقة.
We won't
راح
go
يكون
far.
الفيديو قصير.
We'll
من
try to
الأسف
find
يعني.
shelter and
أنا
come
آسفة.
back here
أنا
with others.
آسفة.
That sounds good. But we can hide in my treehouse until then.
It'll be a tough climb with this leg, but that's a good idea. Let's go. Stay close to me.
أنا برفع الصوت يعني عشان أشوف يعني إذا كان الصوت مرخي ولا كيف، فأنا بهالس يعني للأسف. أخوف.
Now let's stay quiet. We'll head out to the front yard and follow the road out of the neighborhood.
Okay.
It'll be okay. Stay near me, and we'll move as fast as we can.
أصلا شوفوا المشي كيف كأنها مشيت زومبي. ما في أحد.
I found the bastard!
Are we going to die?
No, I'm sure we're fine. Stay down! Georgia State Patrol!
Dude, he won't listen to that.
Okay!
Oh shit, you're not one of those things.
Neither of us are.
Oh damn, you've got a little girl. We're sorry about that. Well, Andre's sorry about that.
It's Officer Mitchell.
حماس حماس.
My
شرطي.
name's Sean Green. This is Andre.
Officer Mitchell.
Did you see any of those things? One of them just got our buddy Chet.
No, not for a while.
Looks like you cut the shit out of yourself.
My leg, yeah. It's hurt pretty bad.
Look, help us find the thing that got our buddy, and we'll take you and your daughter down to my dad's farm to safety. He should be able to fix your leg up too.
I'm not her dad. I'm her babysitter. Her parents are out of town.
Whoever you are, let's get a move on.
We just were...
Oh shit! It's Chet! Let's go! Get to my car! Go!
كان غير وقسمة الله، مرة غير، مو كذا، هذا كان نهار.
Say hi to your dad for me. Yeah. I'm sorry, Sean. Chet was a good dude. One of the best. Take care, you two.
اوكي، وهنا نوقف نهاية الفيديو. انا قلت لكم ان الفيديو راح يكون قصير، فللاسف انه راح يكون قصير قلت لكم. فان شاء الله عجبكم فيديونا، اعجابكم، ومع السلامة فلوقاتي.